In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlinks in Smartsheet, even though at first glance, it might seem like an impossible task. Smartsheet is an incredibly versatile tool, but one of its limitations is that it doesn't provide a built-in option to simply remove hyperlinks from cells directly through its user interface. You might encounter situations where you have hyperlinks in your cells that you'd rather see as plain text. But unfortunately, the straightforward way to get rid of these links simply doesn't exist. Fortunately, there's a workaround that can help you achieve your goal, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the cell that contains the hyperlink you want to remove. This is your starting point. Once you've found that cell, you'll want to copy its contents. An easy way to do this is by right-clicking on the cell and selecting the copy option from the menu that appears. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the contents. Now that you have the cell's content copied to your clipboard, the next step involves pasting it back, but with a little twist to ensure the hyperlink is removed. What you need to do is right-click on the cell again, and this time, select the option Paste Special from the menu. This step is crucial because Paste Special isn't just for regular copying and pasting. It allows you to paste specific attributes of the copied data, which gives us that extra control we need. When you choose Paste Special, a pop-up menu will appear offering different options for pasting. From these options, you'll want to select Values. This step is vital because pasting values only inserts the text of the hyperlink, stripping away any linkage and leaving you with just the plain text. After you've selected values, go ahead and click OK to apply it. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an efficient way to achieve the same result without right-clicking and navigating through menus. Instead of choosing Paste Special through the contextual menu, you can directly use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V. This clever combination will paste the plain text of the hyperlink without any links, saving you a bit of time. By using this method, you can effectively clean up hyperlinks in your Smartsheet, converting them to plain text. While it might feel a bit cumbersome since Smartsheet doesn't have this functionality natively, this workaround ensures you can still accomplish your task without much hassle. So the next time you need to remove hyperlinks from your Smartsheet, remember these simple steps, and you'll have it all in plain text in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your Smartsheet experience a little better.